Y'all gon' make it young and black out. Wanna act out, boy, I dare you. Niggas hating on me, they keep staying on me. They keep trying to tell me what I can't do. But don't get me wrong, now them bitches on me. But I never trust them cause they ran through. Gotta keep the 9.
What it do, my peeps?
Quick update on Lucy, you feel me? We got them new tires and alignment. This car, for me drifting and stuff, the alignment was kind of messed up. So I had to get that fixed. But today, I gotta do an oil change because, believe it or not, I have not done an oil change on this car in about 10,000 miles. I know you guys are probably gonna hate me for that. The job that I was doing, like I was driving so many miles, it was all highway, but still, 10,000 miles is a lot. I did fill it up. It's not like I didn't like top off the oil or anything, but we're gonna do that. I'm waiting for my buddy Max. He's been in a whole bunch of my videos with the cord and all that. But today we're gonna do the oil and they're meeting up with my buddies, Steve. Check out his Turbo LS 240. So let's wait for Max to get here and then we're gonna get on our way. Oh God. Got young Max in this bitch, you feel me? But we're getting ready to pull up. Check out my man Steve. Turbo LS 240, you feel me? Whoa, dude. What the hell? Where is he? Oh, my man's got that angle though. I like your overflow. Yeah. Super sick. So what is this? A 5.3?
Yeah, 5.3. LS base, like all stock block. Like.
You want to start her up? Ooh. This is badass. How much power does it make? Like 4 something?
Yeah, probably about 4.
Yeah, but in this thing it's probably.
It's on low boost right now. I gotta get it to the dyno too, and then turn it on the boost.
Yeah. All right, so he's about to go do some drifties first. I got to test it out before we hop in there. So we're gonna get out the shade and then let it rip. All right, let's do this.
AK Beezy, you fired up.
I came from the streets, man, so I had no option. If you ain't getting money, we gotta think calm. Used to eating steak, now we not eating ramen. It ain't nothing sweet when I bought like then it's ramen. I ain't wanna do it to him, but I had no option. Fuck your bitch, the best to my nigga like I'm stocked. Oh, you wanna be my friend, cause I'm poppin'. And I just ran up the bands, it's never stopping. I look in the sky and see myself. Bitch, I'm a star. I look at the beat and see myself, cause I'm going hard. My Balenciaga and Da Vinci got me feeling special. Bitch, I drip like Michael Phelps, I think I need a lift. I can't fuck with Charlotte.
Hey, so right now we're gonna jack up the car.
So what happened here?
Oh, you got the exhaust stuff. It's probably gonna be loud as shit now. I don't even know your name, bro. Reese, you got the Lexus gang. About to slide around a little bit. What are these ISF wheels?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm trying to get the stock ones. Huh?
You know Nick Carbo? He's got a silver.
Nah.
You got anything done to it?
I just got the car not too long ago.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I heard these are fun though. You can like slide these around pretty good.
Yeah, she's funny. She's got LSD. I've slid her a couple times actually. I ran from the cops yesterday. Oh, not yesterday, Friday. I got out.
Oh, we got that. We got that. Oh, this joint's slow. Oh my gosh. We leaning back. Someone stole my car. Stole my car. I don't know how it sounds from the outside. It might be a lot louder. So. Oh, my man's got that angle. That angle though. My man's. he's about to spin it up again. Oh, I missed drifting. Those tires actually spin pretty good.
Yo.
That shit was dope. Gang. Buff turbo noises. Woo. All right.
Part of all of this is that person over there is learning how to drive. That's the best part of all of it.
They're like, what the f?
Yeah, if you got anything from over there with the car in the background with the cool stuff.
Got the poop guys coming. You're a little bit late there, buddy. We got hella good footage though. Be dope. Hella good footage, especially the one that.
Some from my car with that. Some in your car.
Yeah, I'll send you all the stuff, bro, and then I'm making the video. I'll probably make the video tonight, so it's gonna be lit. So if you guys want to see more of his car, check him out on Instagram right here. Bing. I don't know about you. Where's your Instagram, or is that it right there? Oh, let's see. What the fuck? Ayo, what is this? How the hell did that shit follow me? At 2JZ Reese. Check him out. He's actually in a gang. JDM gang site. He's got the IS350. This bitch is clean. Got the ISF wheels. Lexus gang, guys. Lexus gang. We're probably just gonna chill for a little bit because the poop guys rolled up. They know we're up to something. All right, we're gonna get some pics of the Lexus and then maybe some of their cars too. So if you guys want to see more pics, go in the description. Go on my Instagram and check out the pics. It's fucking hot out here though. Alright, getting Lucy's oil done. I had some supplied oil, so we're gonna get that done, but I haven't got this oil change in like 10,000 miles, guys, so she's definitely gonna be enjoying this new blood. Alright guys, so we got the oil change, got all the drifts and stuff done. If you guys wanna check out some dope like detail and stuff, go click the link in my description. On the shine armor stuff, you guys go check all that stuff out. It's a great like instant 3-in-1 detailer, so you guys can check that out. Link in my description. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Lucy's feeling good, you know what I'm saying? She definitely needs this oil change. Peace.
Gotta keep it 9 if you run up on me, I'm a bled. Young nigga, young black, I wanna act out, but I did. Niggas hating on me, they keep staying on me, they keep trying to tell me what I can't do. But I'm just wrong, not a